Vice Chairman, sir, it may be recalled that the Rajya Sabha had passed the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Bill on 20th February. The Rajya Sabha had passed the bill without any amendments. The bill received the assent of the President on 1st March 2014 and hence was notified as Act 6 of 2014. Subsequently, it was found that immediate action was necessary to revise the territories of the two successor states before the appointed day of 2nd June 2014, on which day the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 will come into force. Hence, an ordinance was promulgated by the President. I have already given a statement as required under Rule 71(1) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha to explain the reasons for the promulgation of the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Ordinance 2014. The statement of objects and reasons of the bill gives the rationale in detail. Briefly, this bill seeks to maintain the continuity of amendments carried out by the ordinance. The bill seeks to transfer 6 mandals in full and 2 in part of Khammam district to Andhra Pradesh. This will provide a much needed flexibility to the Andhra Pradesh government to implement the rehabilitation and resettlement package of the Polavaram Multi-Purpose National Irrigation Project in the identification of areas for rehabilitation and resettlement. It will also provide contiguity in the areas that form a part of Andhra Pradesh for administrative convenience. We have retained the temple town of the Bhadrachalam in Telangana and also seen to it that the road to the town remains a part of Telangana. I may mention that most of these areas were a part of the East Godavari district and were transferred in 1958 to Khammam district. Sir, I may add that the former Prime Minister, during the debate, during the consideration of the bill, had said that I would like to reassure honorable members that if any further amendments are needed to facilitate the smooth and full rehabilitation and resettlement for the Polavaram project, they will be given effect to at the earliest. Our ordinance will execute the Polavaram project, let there be no doubt about it. I would like to reassure the House that this government shall endeavour to realize the dream of prosperity that the Polavaram project would bring to Andhra Pradesh. With these words, Vice Chairman, sir, I commend the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Bill 2014 to this August House for consideration and passing.
Thank you.